Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. I'm gonna do some vlogging. First off, up is my son. There he is, Mr. Handsome in his booty.
Some butt action, you know what I'm saying?
Yep, some butt action.
Get
Then
that.
you got my brother Rob smacking his butt. That's my mom cooking. And you get some butt action over there.
Some butt action, Graham. Show her the butt.
Look at that booty. All right, here's my brother Tommy and his butt.
Oh! Wait. Oh! Here.
It's a lot of slapping booty
I
here.
think I hurt his back. He's got a really
It's
bad
a
back.
lot of slapping booty here. What is up with slapping booty here? Does your butt hurt, Tommy?
No, his back hurts.
What happened? It sounded so
There's Jess and her baby.
Actually doesn't show it.
There's James slapping his butt.
Slap that booty right there, Tom.
Ow! Does your butt still hurt?
I think he cracked it. Look at it. Crack on it. Howdy.
My brother's leaving. He's got the butt going. There we go.
He did hit hard.
More butt action. That's what our family's all about. Butts. All right, here's my husband with his butt action.
Oh, I didn't see you there. That's gonna make me smart.
What are you doing?
There's mom and dad. Hey, don't be slapping that booty. Oh, somebody just slapped mine. Getting a pop here.
Hey.
Oh, oh God. Ow. Why is you slapping my butt?
Oh, booty.
Oh my God, everybody's slapping my
Some
butt.
butt action.
Ow, you used a tool. All right, here's my two nephews, Dallas and Caden.
Let's go play some Fortnite.
Boy, this family likes butt. All ready for Thanksgiving?
Pink butt.
Pink butt.
Pink butt.
Pink butt. All right, we're just all chilling, having a couple smokes, and then we're gonna chow.
I was like, man, when you gonna bring me a sandwich sometime? I'm like, yeah, I will. And then I never have, and he always says to me, he's like,
All right, so as you see, before we eat dinner, we always slap our butts around here. It's just a thing. It's a tradition. So most people eat turkey, we slap butts, and then we gobble.
Solomon.
Here's some of the food.
Where's Solomon, Sadie?
As you see, we've been eating. Haven't started the dinner yet, though. That's just snacks, everybody. So, yeah, we're going to be eating soon. I don't think we'll have enough room for food, but we're going to be eating pretty soon. Sorry, the lighting's so bad in here. But we'll be able... There. Ooh, there I am. We'll be eating soon, and hopefully we'll be able to eat. I know my dad will.
I'm hungry.
Hungry. I know you'll be able to eat, right? There's my nephew, Delston. I never see him, ever.
Get Secret Santa set up.
I have a crazy family. Wait, he's gonna pick me up here. Ah. Oh, I'm getting heavier as the minute goes on. Whoa, whoa. So here's what it's like before we eat. We haven't even ate yet. And everybody's already sleeping because we had a bunch of snacks. The food still isn't ready yet. But just wanted you guys to know this is how we party.
Hey.
This is how we party.
I got a like on Facebook.
All right, cool, babe.
Yeah.
Come on, you guys. This is like the best party ever.
Whoa, you got a like? I got one like.
I almost got 100 followers on Instagram.
Finally. He only got 100.
JK.
No, for real though. I'm at 98.
I'm poor on Robux.
I love you.
So
So yeah, this is what's going on here. And then after we eat, we'll be wide awake then. I guess we go to sleep before we eat.
Robux. That's what it's called.
we'll be tired from the tryptophan.
From the
Oh, it
tryptophan.
didn't sound right what she said.
All right, so that's what's going on here. I will come back
I
when
said
we
Robux,
are
but then I messed
eating.
it up saying Robux.
She said something, I don't know what she said, like just pouring or something, and it sounded like pouring Roblox. It didn't sound right.
Dylan, why are you so sleepy? You haven't even ate yet.
Oh no, dude. Why are you grabbing my nipple every time?
Come on. We only grab butts in this family.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's disgusting.
Hi.
Minnie.
So that's that. All right.
No,
We're
Phil.
about to eat.
mom again and body slamming you.
Hi,
What?
Minnie.
Do it in front of my mom again.
You
got nothing on me, man. Look at this.
Can't do that stuff in front of his mother. I know you're my husband, but you can't do that.
Work out. Put my baby down.
There's my baby. Let me see Minnie.
Give me Minnie.
Minnie.
Right
Let me
Sorry.
see
Not
her.
playing with you. Give me Minnie.
As long as you're too strong, I have to hold them up.
Give me
That's
Minnie.
my baby.
Give me Minnie.
All right. So we'll be eating pretty soon, then we'll be wide awake.
What do you want, dude? Want a dance battle, dude?
What about up here?
Oh, yeah?
Really?
Yeah. Still?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not there.
Oh.
I that works
What you doing, baby?
Oh, I'm just looking at football scores.
We still haven't ate yet.
I know.
We're getting ready for our turkey for next year.
Yeah, probably.
Dad, what are you doing? Are you hungry?
Jay's retarded, remember?
Look at how hungry Dad is. He can't even think straight.
Yeah, Dallas won.
Whoa.
Get on my face.
Dylan,
Get on my face.
I'm going to spank you.
No.
Come here. You're getting a spanking.
Please.
Come here.
No!
Put your butt out. Come here. Come here. Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
No!
Turn around. Okay, stay
No.
right there. Don't
No.
move. Say, I forgot
No.
as I hit you.
No! You're not doing it. You block you.
Now don't do it ever again.
Shut up!
Go outside.
Shut up! We're taking over this vlog, dude. We got my mom's vlog here.
Vlogger.
Say what's up to the camera.
What's up to the
You a
camera?
hoe!
Dude. Not even, bro. So,
You recording that?
yeah.
Oh. I know you're recording.
Yeah. Why you always grab me, dude?
Well, no,
Stop,
I'm
dude.
gonna hold on to your back with my legs. My triceps are so strong.
We're vlogging right now? Say hey. We're vlogging. Okay. We're vlogging.
Hey, my name is Jalen.
Oh, we're vlogging.
Hi, guys. God, that's a horrible picture of me.
Look at how you.
Look at how our chin looks.
This is where our chin really looks.
We need to lose weight.
Yeah.
No, look how our chin really looks, Dylan. Ow,
You
look
just found
at
their mom's ad, dude?
look at how skinny we are now.
Oh yeah. This is how people take pictures on Facebook.
Look at how skinny I am.
my god. Like my picture.
Look, we're so skinny. Now we're fat. Tommy. Tommy. What you doing? Has anybody got to eat yet?
Yeah.
Next Thanksgiving. There he is, the keto machine right there. And he has on his skinny shirt.
Skinny shirt?
Yeah, you know, because it shows the bones.
It's my fat guy in a little shirt.
Yeah, fat guy in a little shirt.
Shredded.
And this is an illusion.
Rob, look, nobody's gonna think you're fat. Look at you.
Fat.
You look skinny.
I know.
But we all know underneath that skinny shirt is a bunch of fat.
The fast man.
I'm ab, dude.
No, you're all abs. Show them muscles. Look at them. Bomb. Look at, my mother is preparing that turkey. It's almost time to eat. Yum.
We've been only waiting for 9 hours.
That's it.
We've only been waiting 9 hours, but it'll be good because it's tender at 9 hours. Look at that turkey, everybody. Yum.
Action.
Look at the mashed potatoes, homemade gravy, rutabagas in the oven.
do that.
Oh, yes, Mother. Look at this gravy, you guys. Homemade turkey gravy. Yum. All from the drippings of the turkey. Yum. Then we got green bean casserole in the oven, and stuffing, and sweet potatoes. Let's see. Turn the light on. Oh, yum. We're going to eat soon, you guys. Very, very, very soon.
Mom.
All right, so I didn't want to tell anybody, but me and my son sing really well.
Really good.
We're going to do Jingle Bells for you guys. You ready?
You want to start it out?
Let's get it. Let's get it. I'll do the reindeers.
Okay.
You know, Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and then there's Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all?
Ready? Rudolph,
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose and did If you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names, 'cause they never let poor Rudolph raining in your reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say...
We only want to give them a little.
Oh, we don't want to give too much away, you guys, but we are on American Idol
For sure.
next year.
Catch us there.
Watch us and vote.
I
For Christmas,
just
one thing funny.
I need
They're about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
I just want you
To
for my...
for
It's your part, it's your part.
All I need is
Yeah.
a smile.
My Chris, ready? Chris come true.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Dude, I want you to comment down below.
Yep, let us know what you thought.
We're thinking about joining American Idol next year, but I think it's great, and she thinks it's great.
Oh, God, I know that we're going to definitely
Right.
take number one. Maybe
Right.
two, but it's definitely going to be probably number
But
one.
I've never seen a duo before.
Yeah,
you know?
duo. We're a duo singer.
So it's like, I don't know if we
Don't
can
we
really-
harmonize good?
I've never heard better in my whole life.
Definitely vote
Never
down
heard.
below if
Yeah.
you guys think that we harmonize
Thumbs up.
really good together.
Yeah,
Okay,
for sure.
shoot us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, 1 to 10. 10 being like, well,
The-
I don't know anybody better, so.
Yeah, so we'll get a lot of tens. Yeah.
All right, cool.
So, all right, we'll talk to you guys later.
Later.
Bye. Now everybody is serving up their
Lay
food.
down and fall asleep.
How good it looks. Here's my plate right here.
Loves pizza pop.
Got mashed potatoes, stuffing, green bean casserole. Got some rolls, some turkey, and
Yes,
some
let 'em have a
sweet
pop.
potatoes.
Thanksgiving.
Yum. Alrighty, so just give you a quick review of my food again. Got sweet potatoes, some turkey, some green bean casserole. Got some mashed potatoes with gravy and stuffing. Yum. Yes, I am cheating everybody, but it has been 3 years of me eating keto, and I've only had 6 cheat days in over 1,000 days. So I am been at my goal for a long time, even though I'm always trying to lose a few pounds here and there. But I'm going to enjoy this. I am very much enjoying this. Yum. So good. But since I've been doing keto, I went 2 years at Thanksgiving time. I did not eat anything off plan. But now that I am 3 years in and pretty much in maintenance mode, I am going to enjoy myself. But as of midnight tonight, back to keto. Yum. Everybody enjoying their food?
Yo, what's up?
You enjoying that, Dallas?
No, not really.
Hope everybody's enjoying their Thanksgiving and all the food that comes with it.
Is there a plate on the table for this?
What is that?
Yeah. They kind of got burned.
Oh, you baked them?
James,
I thought
did
they
you
were
enjoy
like-
your food? Seems like you enjoyed it very much. You're already done.
Yeah,
Are you full?
yeah, I have a stomachache now. I ate too much.
Uh-oh. Solomon, you enjoying that? Yum. How about you, Sadie?
I'm not. I don't know what
You are not only you're only eating Toki?
No, I'm.
How about you, babe? Are you enjoying that?
Yeah, it's delicious, you all.
How about you, Kaden? Was dinner good?
It's delicious, you all. I'm just eating only this plate. I'm not eating.
Oh, you'll get more?
I'm not eating anything else.
Oh, okay.
Look at my dance. I ate a lot before dinner.
See, you know how to dance.
Kaden, was that your pop right
All right, everyone. So this is what's left. I knew this was going to happen. My eyes are always bigger than my stomach, especially doing keto. It's so hard to consume carbs, and my stomach is so full. This is what I have ate. I may let it sit for a little bit, maybe eat a little more later, but I don't know. This might be it. Maybe have a little piece of pie. And then, like I said, right back to keto.
get that anymore because.
All right, and thus ends Thanksgiving. Everybody is gone and everything is cleaned up, and I am completely stuffed. So So I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. All right, so that is the end of this Thanksgiving Day. I hope all of you guys had a great day. Hope all you keto people stayed keto, stayed strong. If you didn't, get right back to it tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Happy Thanksgiving. God bless and take care. I will see all of you in my next video. Good night, everyone.